All right, guys. So today we are doing another one of these distributions, Sunday, July 5th, late afternoon, and we're going out here. So they're out calling people, and basically we are going to go street by street, and Edwin is assisting us. You can see him on my motorbike down here. He's assisting us, calling names. And Umberto and everybody is with us. He is the one getting the milk out. Today we have I think we have approximately 160 or something, 140, 150, 160, something we're going to get out. All right. So we're going to go street by street and do that. Beautiful day though. It's really nice weather, and people are coming up, gathering around. Social distancing is always a little hard, but at least they wear the masks. I try to stay too far away from them. Stay far away. So. And we have done this, so these streets we don't require the children to come out anymore, because we have already verified, double verified, and in some cases triple verified the parent, and we know after 2 months, 3 months doing this, we pretty much start knowing the parent. The sisters and brothers that might be a little older and don't get milk, they still come, and some of them pick up for their little sister or brother or whatever. And once we're done here, we're gonna go off to the next street.
Jamaica, saan siya?
Ito, dito po. Dom, kunin mo yung kay ito. Wala kang mas. Mas, ito.
Yeah, so here we have Edwin assisting us today. I tried to message Mark earlier this afternoon and didn't get a reply from him. He's been doing good with us, though. Mark has been doing very good with us, and he's back to work, so I can understand he might want to have a day off too.
Don't worry, they will deliver it. Even though it is one. Kasiling Abdullah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
4 years old.
4-year-old, yeah, that's all right.
Kay Karkar.
Leo Tapio.
Oh, dali mo, kumakalog na.
4 years old. Kim, that's a new one.
Yan.
Alminanza.
Alminanza.
And last, one Alminanza. Alminanza 3 years old.
3 years old. All right, so we have even some. This woman picking up for some of them. They are not here for some reason. Mark, when he gets out, he normally actually puts out the call with his voice, driving on his electric bike, calling everybody out. So he announces our presence. Now we have people running around and announcing our presence. Mark's voice will go through anything. That's 120 dB. All right, so we are done at Sunflower, and we're gonna head on out to the next street.
Ay, sarado mo, hindi nakakawin.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, so let's go.
Kanta kasi?
Lydia.
Tulip first, tulip.
Tulip first.
And then,
Thanks a lot.
All right.
thank you po. Sige po.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough.
All right, so guess who showed up here in the middle of the event? Mark is here. He is the caller, and he's taking over from Edwin. So now we're gonna have to call these people out and let them know we're here. Are you cute?
I'm very
Huh?
cute.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's a camera. Yeah, she's so
Say bye-bye to her.
very precious.
Bye.
Bye bye. Are you gonna go now?
Bye-bye.
Wait for your milk, okay?
How old is she?
8 months.
8 months. 8 months old. All right. I don't know where they are, so you got to get them out if they want some milk. They have to come out.
Oh,
if
we
they
call
want-
it.
Huh?
We call the name of child.
Yeah.
Okay, I can announce all the people here in Tulip Street. All the childs.
Milk.
Oh, getting already milk last day.
Yeah. Let's get them out so we can get this over with.
Christian Blanca. Christian Blanca. Okay. Prince Nathan Topas. And Michael Jose Topas.
Blanca is how old?
3 years old and 2 years old. What name? Christian Blanca, 2 years old. Yeah. Michael Jose Topas and Prince Nathan Topas. Caitlin Villanueva. Caitlin Villanueva. Okay. Bella Rojas. Samantha Yumol.
Samantha, yung mo.
7 months. Infant. Pwede mo na. Get it. CJ Manalo.
Okay. So we head to Lirio.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough.
Okay, so this is Lydia Street, right? So we are gonna try to stay in the shade. Hi guys. Gonna try to stay in the shade, get everybody out, and do a little milk for the little ones. How are you? Good? She looks scared. Yeah. So all right, let's come and get some milk. All right, so we are rounding these people up.
Oh, your parents or grandparents.
Today is the grandparents' day. I guess. But that's okay. Grandparents are fine. We know. Hello, how are you? The big boy.
No, there's the bigger boy.
Grandparents' Day.
Grandparents' Day.
Where's the big boy?
All the grandparents are coming today.
Wala dito.
Hello. Did you move on to this side of the street? Here.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did because it's
Sunny on the other side.
sunny on the other side.
Right here.
Say hi to the camera. Wave, wave, hi. Say hi to the camera, everybody. Say hi, hi. And we got over there, we got some people. We got Shell moving the bike to the shade because it's warm out here. Anyways. We're gonna make you famous. Here you go.
Where's Mark?
She's looking for people. There you go.
So they're out looking for people?
They're out looking for people.
Okay. All right. So that is fine.
There we go.
Let's start
Boys, now please.
Lydia Street. So now we're gonna
Back in.
just go down to the corner here, and some people will probably come up this way. They know we're here, they're coming out. So that's what happens. He doesn't know where to go.
Abiel, Pacho.
I'm here.
Abiel, Pacho.
I'm here.
Lance, maglalang.
Yeah, that's what happened, right? So we got three more children. 8 months, 2 years. Zakia Wells, 2 years. Villanueva, 2 years old. So we're gonna get that done, taken care of. Welcome back home.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough to be dismissive. I just kept keeping.
Got those.
That's right. This is the other one. You prepared that one. You know, it's you're already prepared.
One beer brand for the lady. All right. Dogs are chasing. Chasing. In USA, right? Only the Chihuahuas are yappers. Here, everybody must have some kind of mix of Chihuahua in them because every single dog is a yapper.
Yep, everywhere.
Yeah.
There you go, the first
All right, so Mark is coming now. Yeah, because we have a lot of small children on Walling Street, younger kids. So that's why I bought all that.
John Manalo! John Manalo! John? They don't have a sir?
What?
That's already done here.
What?
Carl Kervin Makaraig, they don't have. Van Kaishan Lakson. They don't get again. John Manalo and Zakia Claire Carsuera.
So they're not here?
They
Okay,
have here.
okay. Do we have a new?
The new child.
All right, we'll have.
Shimwell.
Shimwell.
Shimwell 3.
And you?
I'm just
Do you live on the street here, or you live on another street, or
yes, sir.
this street here?
Down there.
Okay.
Shimwell Dre.
Buena Vista. They just moved in because they've been kicked out in San Fernando.
Yeah.
They've
What is
been
the
kicked
old
out of
child?
the house. 1 year old. They could not afford to pay the rent, so I let them.
Oh yeah. Well, that happens.
I know.
That's going to happen a lot.
Shimwell Dre.
Yes.
And some people some people just break up and take off and leave. They can't, but they might have enough for 1 month rent or a deposit
They don't,
somewhere
it's
else.
been how many months they don't have, and then
That's
they had
already
a
good.
fight, so they had an issue. So
Yeah, that happens all the time, and it's not your fault. It's just
The last two.
darn
In a
COVID.
Street.
so I told them to stay with me.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dalawa lang yun, yung dinedeliver ko lang doon.
Okay.
All right. So
To Caglea.
yeah, you can deliver that, right?
I can deliver this.
People are coming out now, so it takes a few minutes for them to come out. But once they realize we're here, they start coming out. Babies are coming out, and a lot of little children. So this is, I think Tulip Street, it's called. And once we are finished here, we're gonna head on and go to another street. And this is what we do every time. We go from street to street to street. And we are in the process of doing that. Umberto went out early this morning and did the inventory pickup, and now we're in full progress in getting this out. All right, guys, that's it for today. We're wrapping this one up. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll see you soon again, right, Umberto? Another distribution at some point. And that is it for today, guys.
Finish. We're done.
Finish. Mark is finished.
It's finished.
Finish.
It's finished.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.